How to enable auto import from GoPro camera in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, go to Preferences. Here you will see the option for Wired Auto-Offload. This feature allows your GoPro to automatically transfer new photos and videos to the Quik app whenever the camera is connected via USB cable. Toggle on to enable automatic import of your media from the GoPro camera. Once enabled, every time you connect your GoPro via USB, your new footage will be automatically imported into the app, saving your time and effort. Now you know how to enable auto import from your GoPro camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.